Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Njeri and as always this is the Limitless Show. So on today's episode I am going to be showing you how to make some amazing banana pancakes. They're super simple to make, super easy and super yummy. And for the ingredients of the day, we are going to need a banana, we're going to need an egg, some salt, sugar and some water, and also don't forget some baking powder. Let's get started and let's enjoy.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when I'm capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire,